So here we are, if we're in shot. Which way does it need to go? That way. For the Jesan KT2002, just shoved 2 screws in the case because Mr Chippie was ready a bit before the radio was ready. So I'm going to pinch the knob off that other set and let's see what we've got. Mr Chippie out there. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving loud and clear.
Excellent, I'm ready.
Roger that, right, we'll come up to the end of the line now.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. So this is the one with multiple faults causing there to be no transmit.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford over.
Roger, that's very good. The radio's doing 3.6 watts. On the test set, the squelch wasn't that sensitive, but it's proved to be perfect around Scratchy Corner.
Roger. Right, we're now going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, that's excellent at the Kelby turn. Ah, Roger, that didn't kind of get you on the squelch. It's not sensitive enough. Yeah, got you now.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yeah, Tango 21 receiving. Tango 21, Mr Chippie receiving.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Tango 21, are you receiving me? Okay, so this is a set that doesn't quite do it. He can't quite hear me, and it was not quite sensitive enough on the squelch to pick him up either at Greyleys or at the Rawsby level crossing. So yeah, 4 miles, and it petered out on our difficult terrain test. So there you have it. We'll go over to our base station. We'll go and see what it sounds like into our Harrier base.
Tango 21 testing the Jesan KT2002 into our Harrier CB base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And thank you.